Hello, I'm Abraxan Evelyn, the Beauty Food Chick. Welcome to my channel, a place where you'll find a lot of tips and tricks for food and beauty. Today on the Beauty Food Chick, come along and I'll show you how I made this creative brunch. It's tortillas, it has noodles and seared cabbage. So right now I'm searing this cabbage. Welcome, dear humans, to my kitchen where creativity is no bounds. In this week's brunch extravaganza, I'm bringing you a mouth-watering wrap. So I added a bit of salt to my seared cabbage. Now I'm bringing in butter. This wrap is as unique as it is delicious. Say hello to my tortilla seared cabbage delight. It is a medley of flavors and textures that will awaken your taste buds like never before. So I brought in my eggs, added salt and black pepper. Simple, right? Yes, we're not doing anything extra here, but it is an extravaganza. So, salt, black pepper, then you bring in your seared cabbage. With me, wraps don't have to be ordinary, and this recipe proves just that. So I've combined the comfort of tortillas with the savory satisfaction of noodles and the crunch of seared cabbage to craft a wrap that's sure to become your new brunch favorite. So I used 2 tortillas. I turned it over. Now, this has my seared cabbage, the eggs. Now I'm introducing the noodles. You're wondering, noodles might not be your typical wrap ingredients, but trust me, they are a game changer. And to this, I added coriander. Fresh herbs just take your recipes from zero to hero. So I was saying, noodles are a game changer. So I've used my perfectly cooked noodles to add a delightful chewiness to each bite of this tortilla wraps. So the interplay of flavors between the noodles, the seared cabbage, the eggs, the tortillas creates harmonious symphony that will leave you craving for more. So let's see, what did we do? Let's cut that in half to reveal our brunch. It is such a delightful lunch. So, cooking up with me, the Beauty Food Chick. Cooking up this masterpiece is a breeze. Why do I say it's a breeze? Simply sear the cabbage. It's your choice to want it golden brown or just leave it as is, green. You set that aside. Then you must have cooked your favorite noodles. I will be linking up a recipe for how to make these noodles, and be sure to cook it to perfection. Then you just toss in basically your seasoning, then grab your tortillas, wrap the masterpiece, lay down, and blah 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 blah. Like, it is easy to put together. Are you hungry for more? Don't forget to watch my step-by-step tutorial to see just how easy it is to create this unique brunch wrap. If you're still here, I will love it if you hit that like button, subscribe for more culinary adventures, and let me know in the comments how your own tortillas, noodles, and seared cabbage delight turned out. That's because I'm expecting you to go and recreate this. It's time to redefine brunch experience with my inventive wrap. Remember, in my kitchen, there are no rules, only delicious discoveries. So, stay tuned for more inspiring recipes, and as always, happy cooking! If you haven't subscribed on this channel, you want to consider subscribing. What have you been waiting for? You are gonna lose out in a lot that happens on this channel if you haven't subscribed. And if you are a returning subscriber, God bless you. Thank you for spending time with me, for watching all of my videos, for commenting, for sharing. Honestly, I would really like to use this opportunity to appreciate you. You have done so well for my channel, and I do not take it for granted. What hashtag should we give this recipe today? Hashtag brunch wrap. Hashtag creative cooking. Hashtag food innovation, because that is me, your girl. I just go in the kitchen and I create magic. Like I said, in my kitchen, there are no rules, only delicious discoveries. Why am I saying so? Because I have never made this recipe before. So stay tuned for more inspiring recipes. As always, happy cooking. I love you. Mwah!